Honorable Judge, respected teachers, and my beloved friends. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Kayla Viana Amadita, and I'm proudly representing SMK Negeri Gudug. It is a truly an honor and great privilege for me to stand here today. Standing not only as a student, but also as a young Indonesian who carries a responsibility to love, to protect, and to celebrate the culture of our nation. Ladies and gentlemen, culture is not only about art or tradition. It is the very soul of our people. It's our identity, our heritage, and the thread that connect our past, our present, and our future. Without culture, we are like a tree without roots, easily swayed, easily broken. Indonesia is widely known as the large archipelago in the world, from Sabang to Merauke. We are blessed with more than island, ethnic group, and language. It is a proof of how rich, colorful, and uniquely our country truly is. Every island, every community, every tribe has its own way of expressing life. Through dance, song, ritual, houses, and clothes, and stories that carry meaning across generations. Allow me to share a few examples. In Toraja, South Sulawesi, the Rambu Solo, funeral ceremony is not merely about mourning. It is about celebrating life, honoring ancestors, and strengthening community. Tayus in Java, the wayang kulit shadow puppets are more than just performance. They are lessons of morality, philosophy, and wisdom, teaching us about justice, bravery, and balance between good and evil. From the majestic Reok Ponorogo to the harmonious sound of the angklung from West Java. From the elegance of batik to the beauty of tenun ikat, its cultural treasure tell us who we are, creative, resilient, and deeply connected to nature. However, ladies and gentlemen, we must be honest with ourselves. In this era of globalization, we are facing a serious challenge. Many young people, including sometimes ourselves, tend to drift away from tradition instead of learning to play gamelan. We might choose modern instrument only instead of wearing traditional clothes with pride. We sometimes prefer to imitate foreign trends without even understanding their meaning instead of being curious about our local language. We are more comfortable using slang from outside. This is a danger we cannot ignore. If we are not careful, our cultural treasure might slowly fade away. Imagine a future where Indonesian children can sing every international pop song, but cannot sing Sue Ora Jamu or Kundul Kundul Pacul. Imagine a future where tradition house, dance, and ritual are no longer practiced but only remembered as a picture in history books. Would that be a tragedy? That is why my respect audience. Preserving culture is not just a choice. It is a duty. It is a way of losing ourselves, respecting our ancestors, and showing our gratitude to our homeland. When we protect our culture, we protect our identity. When we protect our tradition, we strengthen our unity. And when we share our culture with the world, we shine as a proud nation that inspires others. Now, the big question is, how do we as the younger generation take part in preserving culture? The answer is simple, yet powerful. We can start small. Learn traditional songs and dance. We are batik not only on free days, but with pride at any occasion. Support local product that might pay your own encouragement. celebrate Independence Day not only with competition, but also with cultural performance, and most importantly, let us use technology wisely, create content videos, and post the highlight our tradition. So, culture is not only passed down, but also spread within the digital era. Ladies and gentlemen, let us be the generation that revives tradition with pride and creativity, a generation that can enjoy K-pop, J-pop, or Western culture, but still knows and loves gamelan, keroncong, and dangdut. A generation that respects diversity, because unity in diversity, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, is the essence of Indonesian itself. In closing, let us always remember, Indonesia is not only rich in natural resources, but also in cultural treasure that inspire humanity. Together, let us ensure that our tradition do not fade away, but instead live forever in our hearts, our action, and our pride as Indonesian. Thank you.